But look at this rate of change. Look at that. I don't like that. I don't like that. I don't like that. Look at these envelopes. What happened, man?
Hi guys, my name is Anna. I hope you know that. But if you don't, I have my Telegram channel, which is completely free, and we trade together right there on binary options. I have 12 signals a day in my Telegram channel, so just proceed, check it out, and let's go.
Hey guys, here's me, Anna. I am just right there with a little bit different voice, but anyway, I'm gonna be sitting and working and trading, and we're gonna be just exact again having our results. Let's go. Guys, I'm just starting right there. Just don't mind my voice, me being sick still, and it's actually quite for a long time. I've been taking like a leap for a week for not taking videos because I was voiceless, but I just decided I gotta get back. I'm gonna make it. I hope it's gonna be enough voice for the whole video that I'm just making. So don't mind it. It's me with a maybe lower. Some says that it's more sexy voice. Sorry for that. So this is the envelopes and the parabolic star, and it's also going to be the third one, which is going to be rate of change. And we are finishing with all the setups and periods and stuff. So be attentive to that, but it's actually nothing more. And CCI for the closing one, you maybe been thinking it's going to be the 3 of it, but that's the 4. Gonna be adding all the currency pairs, and also don't blame me if this video gonna be a little bit shorter because I'm just gonna be skipping just to save my voice to say the last goodbye. And this is the currency pairs. We just finished with all of that, and this is the process that we're gonna be into it. So we just gonna start. We are at the first intention. If I'm gonna be honest, and I think you also, just maybe that's gonna be the break, and maybe that's finally gonna be the upward trend, and we gotta get back. And don't miss it. This is the 15 seconds candles. That's a little bit different than the 10 seconds. That's actually important. Just the picture, the whole expectations and stuff. But my prognosis was that it's gonna be still the downward trend, and a little bit hard to tell you exactly why. And I am not thinking that there could be an enable just a little bit going then still falling, but I still think we gotta be right there and gotta be maybe finishing that trend. It seems like it because the parabolic star, the envelopes, just a little bit with this downward trend, and rate of change still not at the lowest point. We had these indicators from the beginning that it's showing to us we're gonna get downward, but then people are so about the bottom, and this bottom, hitting the bottom makes we're gonna be breaking. That's in many cases, and this was correct, in many cases that's working that perfectly. But anyway, that was a big slide in. Raising it and going back. Look at these patterns, look at that. That's easy, not gonna spending my voice on that. That's the peak, and we expect that it's gonna be the end of it, and we're gonna get back. That obvious, that beautiful CCI plus rate of change, CCI mostly, and rate of change more, just a little bit in advance. Showing to us it's gonna be just like that. And this is it. We went downward, but we are trying to get a little bit. No, there was just playing. We tried just a little bit to get upward, but this says that's perfect. This situation is perfect. But I think even without any indicators, we could actually have a profit from it because the pattern is so clear and the weather is so nice. Nothing's going on. Look at that. This is a little bit like the first situation. We're getting extremely downward with some status. That's fine. And now we can see that we already been on the bottom so-called, and try to get a little bit back upward, a little bit back upward. Look at these envelopes. Of course, all these indicators already working and showing us that because we have already the green candles. So the combination of all of that factors, parabolic star is still not reacting. No, it is. Or not? Yes, it is. I think it started to show that we're gonna get upward. So let's see. I don't like that. I don't like that. I don't like that at all. So do you want to tell me that we're getting that? But look at this rate of change. Look at that. Yeah, that was promising. And that was kind of close. It is. Look at that. It just went downward again. Oh my. Okay, this is 900. And this is, again, the pattern. We're just going to be switching between the situations, getting downward at the bottom and going into the pattern. Right there also adds perfectly perfect. The only risk that I can see right there, you can see the long candles. That means it was fast. And right there, we can see that being kind of rapid. The fact that we can actually go fast and go downward also fast. And 1 minute, maybe. No, I think right there it's going to be fine because just looking at the previous patterns, it had been the long patterns. It wasn't just like that. So yeah, it is. It started just the opposite trend and we are at the safe position. But anyway, if it's going to be too fast, it's going to be risky. I'm out of my voice, but I'm going to be waiting for that. I need this 10 seconds to be not to disappoint me. Yeah, it is getting, it's fine. I'm totally fine. To go a little bit downward. Yes, okay. Look at these envelopes. What happened, man? What happened? It's completely different right there. And we just made it. That's why a little bit. Just zoom it out. So that's been hard. I tried and spanned and tried to understand what's that. I think if you're gonna put it, and we have it, you know, this envelope, this middle line of the envelope showing to us actually what's going on. I think we are rising. There's been the rising trend. Yeah, that's complicated with the fast and long candles. But anyway, and we gotta get back. We gotta slide back. This is maybe close to that situation of some, I don't know, high volatility because candles are switching, but level is changing. Level is like we've been growing, I think, and now we are falling. At least this is what I expect. And parabolic star gave us that. But rate of change and CCI, all these lines actually in the middle and still proving that it's more high volatility than we want that to be. But, oh yeah, oh my God. That was... Look at that. That's why I don't like this rapid and fast candles. Just in a second, and you're dead. That was the luck, guys. I was correct, but that was a complete luck. And that's it. The last one was the killer, you know. If that could happen in the middle of the trade and I've been actually losing even the 50%, I'm going to be so disappointed and I don't know. That could actually destroy me. But when you're getting out with this profit, with this perfect result from it, anyway, you're getting a little bit destroyed. So remember that the market is the market and you cannot handle that fully with any strategy.